It's now 64. See?
Get ready.
So let me show you how to get above 50 on the save secret caches. So it's here. Play 5 matches in the secret cache confirmed. Let's go.
Kill confirmed.
I will cut down any who stand between my daughter and I.
Okay, let's play 5 matches here to get secret caches. And let's see if it adds up to our saved secret cache.
Tango's down!
注意。移動中です。
So I finished 5 matches. So let's check.
Nice work. Well done.
Let's check first. And I've finished. So here it is. I've finished 5 matches. So let's see if the 50 saved secret cache rate increased. So it increased. Now 59. So with this challenges reward, you can save above 50 secret caches straight. So after finishing these challenges, secret cache crate will be automatically cleaned. So that's why it added here in our save secret caches crate. So that's how you save above 50 here in the save secret caches crate. After getting all 59 save secret caches crate, let's try getting this 2 times daily challenge. Nope, it will not add up. It will automatically open the secret cache crate if you're above 50. But we have now 59 saved secret cache crate, so let's now try to add this 5 secret cache crate by playing 16 matches. So I've already have 14 matches. So let's play 2 multiplayer matches. So let's choose here in the shipment to make our gameplay path. So let's choose this one. Okay,
Team deathmatch.
so let's share.
攻撃モードへ移行します。
I only
I
have
will cut
2
down any
max
who
out
stand between my daughter and
mythic
I.
guns.
待機中です。警戒してください。
Mythic switch blade. I like the See?
RAPS
移動します。
Sentry
Make
gun
this
ready for
quick.
deployment. UAV online.
I like the kill effect. And I like that kill effect more. Mythic switch blade. I like the kill effect. See?
RAPS
移動します。
Sentry
Make
gun
this
ready for
quick.
deployment.
警戒してください。
Stealth chopper on standby. Objective almost complete. Keep it up. Friendly stealth chopper inbound. RAPS
待
report.
機中。
Targets in sight.
リロードします。
We've taken the lead.
Enemy down.
Deny me and be defeated.
Because my shared mythic gun. Very nice.
I will end you.
チャージ速度が向上しました。
We've taken the lead. UAV online.
Enemy down.
Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. Keep on them.
A nice
Winning
feeling
squad.
kill effect. I really like that kill effect.
We've taken the lead.
Wala na kalaban. Tapos nakalumono ko na eh.
Enemy in sight.
Nice.
警戒してください。
So we finished 2 games. So let's see if
Well done.
get that challenge test. Let's see if so let's see if we automatically claim the we've automatically claimed the 5 secret caches. So let's check our saved secret caches. If it's now 64. See? So if you want to add above 50 secret caches straight, you need to play the challenge task that I showed you. So now you can see I have a 64 secret caches straight. So that's it for this video. That's how you add above 50 secret caches straight. So if you like this video and if you learned something from this video, please do click the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more gaming tutorials just like this one, key mapping tutorials, videos of tutorials, reviews, and some other things. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.